Thomas, you want to play? Let's go. Come on.
Whoa.
Come on, Tom Tom. Oh no, I gotta get around to him. Tom Tom, come get me.
What? He What? You're...
Did you get that?
Oh my goodness, he's moving too fast.
What you gonna do?
I feel like I'm getting dizzy. And I am there he is.
Okay, I think I'm done. You can stop the video now.
I don't know, he's still going crazy. Oh my goodness.
Under it. Come on.
It's like you're pushing him on a swing or something. Stop for him to look at the fire. Oh, he's back this way.
I'm done, Tom Tom. Okay, I think we're done.
Hey Thomas, how's life?
My dad says the walks wear him out. I think this does. Oh. Oh. All right, I think we're done.